Yeah, sorry. I know that's nasty. I've been burping for about a month now. I'm not sure why, but my primary care doctor seems to think it's all in my head and it's some kind of compulsive disorder type thing. She said I'm breathing in too much air, and when I swallow the air, it has to come out somehow. So I continue to burp. Some people ask me if I'm growling at them, but I'm not. It makes me really tired. I constantly feel like I can't breathe. Sometimes the burps get stuck right here in my throat, and then that kind of makes me vomit. So I haven't been feeling too hot recently, and I swear to you, I'm not trying to make this burp come out. It just comes when it's ready. It's very annoying. I don't know if you're having problems with burping, but tomorrow, thank God, after a little over a month, I'm going to see a specialist. They say it's a gastro specialist, so I hope that I'll be able to find some relief. I have tried everything from Gas-X to Rolaids, Pepsid AC, digestive enzymes. None of that's working. I tried the baking soda and water. I googled burping to see if I could find a disorder. There's like 100 plus, so that doesn't help me. I even tried the apple cider vinegar. Yuck, that's nasty. I tried eating aloe, drinking aloe juice. I'm out of options. I don't know what else to do. But I tell you what, this burping has definitely got to go. I'll let you know what the doctor says. Toodles for now.